Hi guys, всем привет! Welcome to my online cooking school. I'm Alla, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make this incredible passion fruit cake. It's so good. I love passion fruit, and I've probably tested a lot of passion fruit cakes in my life in top bakeries and pastry shops, and this one really is incredible. It's got amazing passion fruit layers. We've got passion fruit cream, we've got passion fruit confit inside and on top, and it's just not only looks stunning, it really tastes amazing. If you're a passion fruit lover, this cake is definitely for you. If you want to get access to this recipe, including 500 other amazing recipes, you can join my online cooking school at AllasYummyFood.com/recipes and join thousands of other students just like you. And we have our amazing cooking and baking community. You have my support, you have no ads in my membership, and it's just super easy to search for any recipe, so you don't have to break your head anymore. You also save time and money because all the recipes are 100% tested, so you'll never fail and waste any of that. I really hope you join our online cooking school, and you can find more details down below in my description box, or you can check it out on my website. Now let's get cooking. In a bowl, you want to add your sugar and butter together and whisk for a few minutes until it becomes white and pale. This can take 3 to 5 minutes depending on your electrical whisk and the speed that you're whisking it, but it should be nice pale color just like this. You then want to add vanilla extract, mix this through one more time, and then slowly start adding eggs one at a time. It's important that you add one egg, mix it through until you don't see the egg anymore, and then you can add your second egg and keep whisking. The mixture will start to become nice and smooth, and you'll be able to see how beautiful it is. Then go ahead, add yellow food coloring. Food coloring is optional, but if you want a nice yellow color, I highly recommend it. Then go ahead and add your dry ingredients a little bit at a time, mix everything through, and then keep adding more until your mixture is nice and fluffy. You then want to switch to spatula and just go around the sides, making sure all your ingredients are incorporated. I do like to measure my mixture, so you want to divide it and measure it out. I'll leave all the details in your recipes. And you should have nice batter just like this of 2 even mixtures put into piping bags. Using A4 sheet as a guideline, you're gonna pipe little sausages just like that across your silicone mat. And then you just want to go ahead and even everything out with your spatula until it's nice and smooth. We're going to repeat the process with our second sponge as well. Now over here we've got some cornstarch. We're going to add a little bit of passion fruit juice inside. I'm using passion fruit puree. You can also use juice, just make sure it doesn't have any sugar. And then add sugar into your passion fruit puree. Place it on the stove, and then add your cornstarch mixture. We're going to cook everything until it starts to become thicker for a few minutes or so on low to medium heat. Don't rush this process, as we want to cook out the cornstarch. The mixture will become nice and silky and like really thin passion fruit gel. You're then going to transfer it into a different bowl and leave it to fully cool down. As it cools down, the mixture will thicken and it will look just like so. Once your sponges are cooked, you want to take them out of your oven, and you're just gonna gently cut off any excess sponge and then place the remaining bits into a food processor and blitz them. To make the delicious cream, you're gonna add cream cheese and mascarpone cheese into a bowl together with cold, heavy or double cream, and whisk everything until it's nice and smooth and silky. It should look just like this. Then go ahead and add your melted white chocolate, which has cooled down to room temperature, and mix everything one more time. You should have a beautiful delicious fluffy cream. You want to go ahead and mix everything with your spatula one more time, and then divide your cream between two bowls, as we're going to have two different flavors. And we're going to add passion fruit puree into one of our creams and mix everything together one more time until it's nice and creamy, just like so. Then place your passion fruit cream into a piping bag, and into the second bowl you're going to add vanilla extract. Make sure to use really good quality vanilla extract and mix everything together one more time. And then place everything into the second piping bag. By now you should have two beautiful creams, one passion fruit and one vanilla. Now it's time to assemble our cake. You want to place your first passion fruit cake layer. Then you're going to add, you've got your passion fruit jam and your passion fruit syrup. First thing, we're going to soak our sponge in passion fruit syrup, and then you're going to pipe these little blobs of your vanilla cream. You're then going to take your passion fruit jam we made earlier and add the jam between the layers. Take your second sheet of your cake, place it right on top, soak it through with passion fruit, and then pipe more cream on top. You can vary it between vanilla and passion fruit cream as you like, and basically repeat the process with the entire sponge, alternating creams but adding a lot of passion fruit jam in between the layers. On your final layer, you can add your crushed crumbs and extra passion fruit if you wish. Leave the cake to soak through for just an hour or so, and then slice into it. Look how gorgeous this cake is. Absolutely amazing. If you're a fan of passion fruit, this cake is definitely for you. It screams amazing tropics with white chocolate and cream.